I'm about to get married. I need to save my house. Can I file the bankruptcy before I get married? I'm going to answer that question for you in this video. Hi, I'm bankruptcy attorney Dan Scott, and the question that we have before us today is a situation where someone came to see me and they're about to lose their house. They're fixing to get married, so they have a really good circumstance coming up, that is get married, and a really bad one, fixing to lose their house to foreclosure. So they want to protect the house, and one of the things that you can do in a Chapter 13 is cure the arrearage on a house loan so that you can keep your house. So there's real value for you in the Chapter 13, and we help people keep their houses hundreds and hundreds of times every year to keep people in their homes. But the real question that I was asked is, should I get married and then do my Chapter 13, or should I do my Chapter 13 first? And so the real question had to come down to what kind of income does your expected spouse have? What kind of assets does she have? And how will that impact your bankruptcy case? So we really had to look at her income and her asset. He didn't need any of her income. He had enough income to pay the current payments. And so certainly he was free to file the bankruptcy case, get his Chapter 13 plan confirmed, and then rock along, and then proceed in the bankruptcy case, save his house. Everything's wonderful. He gets married. They're happy, living happily ever after, right? Now here's the issue, and I explained this to him. You're going to file a tax return after the first year you're in bankruptcy, and so you're going to disclose to the trustee now, if assuming you're filing a joint return, that you've got this new income. And it may be that the new income will require you to change your payments. Why? Because you're dealing with family income, and you're in a Chapter 13 case for 3 years to 5 years. And so we really did have to look at her income in this scenario, to look at her income and then her expenses, because you see, her debt would not be in his Chapter 13 in the original case. So in this scenario, she had her own debt, and when you made her payments to her debt, she didn't have more money to fund his plan. So I felt pretty confident that we were going to be able to keep the Chapter 13 the way it was after he got married, unless one of them got a new job. You do have a responsibility when you have a material financial change in a Chapter 13, like you get 20% more in income with no real material change in expenses. You do have a responsibility to disclose that to the trustee, and likely a responsibility to modify your plan. That is the price that you pay for saying to the creditors, whoa, don't foreclose my house. Don't foreclose my house. I want to keep my house, and I'm going to fix the arrearage by filing this Chapter 13 case. So I hope that was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, would you subscribe to our channel? And then if you would bang the bell, I'll be able to send you notices that we publish new videos, and we do that pretty much all the time. Also, if you have a question about this video or any of the other videos that I publish, go ahead and ask your question in a comment, and maybe I'll answer it in another video, because I do read those comments. Thanks again for watching.